This week from the Hoover Boys. Ooh. Oh yeah. All right, bud. Congrats on 1,000 subscribers. You dig some great stuff. You make some great videos. It's a natural. It was going to happen. I'll bet you that you're going to hit 2,000 before the end of the year. For the record, it's a pain in the butt to hit a phone with a bottle cap, by the way. I was out there doing it a while, and eventually the police showed up. Apparently the neighbors thought I was insane, and they called in for a welfare check. So once I got back from the hospital, I was able to finally open this. And Kurt, thank you very much. I got a little something I got to read here. Trooper Bry, congrats. You were one of 3 winners of our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you for the support. Best of luck to you, brother Kurt. Thank you, buddy. I got a video I'm going to watch later. Gotta get a couple beers in me anyway. Giveaways were very, very nice. 3 people won 1 Foo-Foo Juice bottle. My very own, because my other one lost all its mojo. I think the label started peeling or something. Cheap Walmart one. So hopefully I'll get back to digging some silver here real soon. Thank you, bud. That goes in the digging bag tonight. And coinage. I've never seen one before, so this is a beauty. 1921 Morgan dollar, and you're not kidding. That's a good clean shape. Beauty, 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 beauty. Thank you very much, bud. I enjoy that. I'm gonna drill a hole in it, hang around my neck like Flava Flav. Awesome. Once again, congratulations on 1,000 subs. Hope you can get back up to Siscatchiwah soon. I need to be drinking some beers and doing some digging with you again. That was fun. We had a blast. Thanks again. Congratulations on 1,000. Everybody like and subscribe to Hoover Boys on YouTube, and we'll see ya. This week from This week from oh, come off. Oh, you son of a bitch. This week from This week from This week from This week from the Hoover Boys.